Hey everyone, have you heard the latest about California and internet access? It's a wild ride. So, California had a plan to make internet service providers, or ISPs, offer a super affordable $15 broadband plan. But guess what? They've backed down after pressure from the Trump administration, which threatened to block crucial broadband funding if they went ahead with it. Talk about a setback. Now, for those new to the tech world, broadband is just the high-speed internet that connects us to everything online, from streaming your favorite shows to working from home. It's essential in our digital age, especially with so many relying on reliable internet for school or work. So why should you care? This decision highlights the ongoing struggle over internet accessibility and affordability in the US. Many folks in California, and nationwide, we're hoping this plan could finally make the web more affordable for everyone. Without this push, the gap in broadband availability and costs could keep growing, leaving many families behind. Key takeaway? Advocacy for affordable internet options is crucial. Look out for local initiatives in your area that might address internet costs or availability. Staying informed means you can voice your opinion and support change. So let's keep talking about making the internet accessible for everyone. It's a conversation that really matters.